toxic kid. A toxic kid. He wants to 1v1 me. Come on, let's go. You're it first.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Oh, I'm gonna attack you.
Okay, let's see you. Wait, how much seconds do we get? How much? It didn't even say how much seconds we get. What you doing up there? Bonk. Bonker, my clunker, bucko. Thought you said you're gonna immediately tag me. What happened to that? Too fast?
You're doing this wall.
Wall running? I'm literally on branches, bucko. Those are two separate things.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I'm all the way up here. You're just mad because you're losing. Guess who's losing? Guess who's losing?
Oh, you're doing a street camping.
Who cares? Womp womp. Cry about it. Wah wah. That's all I hear from you. Wah wah wah. Mods? Seriously, you gotta use mods just to tag me? That's how bad you are? That's how trash you are at this game? Bonk. Jit needs a map? Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Bank. Alright, that was like 2 minutes. More like 1, actually. 1 minute. You didn't give me any time last time, so let's go. Womp womp. That was literally like 10 seconds. Womp womp. Womp womp, Jit. Come on.
Jit, you're dead, so.
Womp womp. Oh, no way. No way. I cooked him so hard he left. Didn't know it was going to be like that. Alright, guys. I just cooked him so hard he left. And, yeah. He was saying, I'm going to easily tag you. You're a word at this game. You need to go get a mom. You have no parents. You have no life. He called me the N-word a couple times and he said I'm bad. So, yeah. It proves everything. We cooked him. Let's go to mirror and finish my outro. Oh, he's bad. He's badder than bad, bruh. He's right. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you all have a great day. And yeah, it's basically it. Oh my god, why is my room so hot? Okay, bye guys.